Hey, what's up everyone? We all know that Realme 3 has got so many features. Along with that, there are 4 new apps. If you haven't seen this, like these 4 apps, some of actually these 3 apps, these 3 apps is really so helpful. One is totally bogus. That's not for us. Like these chips apps. Here you can see, this apps is like kind of giving you tips, but the problem is it's in Chinese language and it's taking so much time to load. Anyway, here you can see all the text are in Chinese. There is no way we can change it, and most of them are not useful for us, and it's also mainly color-wise based. So anyway, we don't need that. But the second app, which is notes, if you are a Realme user, you know that there wasn't any note apps, so Realme finally solved it. Here you can see it has to-do option and also this note option. Not only that, you are literally kind of making new notebook, so that's really helpful. You can separate all the notes you are taking in a different notebooks way, so that's kind of nice. You can also make to-dos, like this will really help to make you more productive, you know that. And the best part, you guessed it, it's supported dark mode, which is amazing because it helps battery and also pleasant to eyes. Okay, now let's get back to the third apps, which is Breno Shortcuts. It also supports dark modes, but let's try it in light mode. Anyway, there is these options which is called Breno Shortcuts. Yeah, form shortcuts. It works that way. Like you can literally create the shortcuts you want. But the best part is here it supports multiple shortcuts in one way. From here you can edit many options, like I already created one. Here you can see it's like Wi-Fi on and data off. So normally when I go out, I switch off the Wi-Fi and turn on the data mode. Maybe you are thinking, why should I switch off Wi-Fi? Well, sometimes it also connected to so many open Wi-Fi that really annoying. But when I get back to home, I need to turn one Wi-Fi and make that off. From this shortcut, by tapping on this, it will do the work. I don't need to separately that. Here you can see the Wi-Fi is already on and data is off. That's really amazing, right? You also get to notified that it worked this way. But the problem is there is no way we can add this toggle in home screen. I hope Realme will solve this in the next update. Well, now the fourth apps, or relax. This relax apps, yeah, it's really helpful for relaxing. There you can set the times, you can set so many sound mixture for here, and you can even set the time option, how much you want to hear this. This is really helpful to to make you fall asleep if you have sleeping problem or similar like that. Space travel from here. You can pause it. You can even play. These apps is really fun to use. As you can see, it even helps to explore city. Takes some while to load. Let's wait. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, you got the idea. This 4 is the new apps that Realme 3.0 has. Realme UI 3.0 has. So that's it. If you wanna try this on your Realme 2 or your any Realme existing phone, you can do that. Just simply search this app APK and you have to sideload it separately. You won't find this on your Play Store or App Store. And that's for it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hit the like and subscribe. I'm oheduzzamanx and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.